Warm welcome to the Trading Mentor. Hope you're well today. This is the midweek market forecast for the 23rd of November. In today's video, we're going to look at the DXY. What now for the US dollar? Is it continuing to go weak? Futures contracts, these give us the edge over most retail traders because the futures contracts tells us where prices are going in advance. Indices analysis, we'll be doing double top formations. We have a few going on. And these are fantastic trading opportunities which you should make the most of. Gold scalping software. I'm going to show you how that works and how that can work in combination with Forex super trends. So what is trending right now? And also show you my live trades performance so you can monitor if you like and see what's going on. I do this every day. So if you want to join the DVA, daily video analysis, I do this every afternoon for members only. So join, it's 50% off until the 28th of November. Let's see what's going on. Oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe and you'll get notifications whenever I do an update or a video. So with midweek market forecast, I tend to go in with the charts into the closer time frames, and this is a 4-hour chart. And this is the DXY, the US dollar currency index, which gives us an indication of direction in terms of the US dollar. So yes, we can see here the last couple of days it's been going weak. We had a sell signal, and therefore once we get the sell signal, the price goes down. When we get a buy signal, the price goes up. Very simple. So the target for the US dollar index in the next couple of days is 106.13, somewhere around that. If it continues down and doesn't breaks this support area, then we're going to see 105.35, so weaker dollar. Euro futures looking positive. We have a buy signal overnight and it continues upwards. It could be moving into a wave 4. And the target for this is 105.08. And guess what? Euro futures long, US dollar short. You can probably guess which trade is going to be favourite, euro dollar. Futures still looking positive as I've been recording in the last couple of days to members. And the target still is 65.98. So stronger sterling, stronger euro, weaker dollar. Aussie futures looking negative, and the target is 0.5769. Yen futures have turned around and now gone positive as we have a buy signal overnight, and target for the yen is 0.07292. The targets on the futures doesn't really matter. It's just a matter of course to say which direction they go. We don't trade the futures. Canadian futures double bottom and continues to be positive. Target 42.72. Swiss futures again positive overnight and a buy signal. Whenever we get a buy signal, prices go up. Whenever we get a sell signal, prices go down. Fairly simple format. If you want the advanced pro charts, then please let us know. The links are all below in the description. So Swiss futures higher. We've got a short position on the Swiss, US dollar Swiss, US dollar weak, Swiss futures long. Gold is fairly mixed today. I'm going to show you that one with the gold software. Excuse me. But we had a sell signal here, which indicates the price is going to fall. When we get a buy, guess what? It goes up. And so we expect this to fall down to about 51.897 if it's going to continue. It may turn around now, but let's see. S&P 500 is the only one trending at the moment. We went long a few weeks ago and we had a target 41.18. You can now close this because we have a double top formation on an order block. So this is highly likely to turn around. Or you can just simply hold it, trail the blue line, because if it holds at this support area here, it could blow out the double top anyway and continue up to 4118. Remember, the Advanced Pro charts automatically draws out double bottoms and double tops, so we know where the reversals are or likely to be. And also it draws the buy signals automatically as well. Congratulations if you've traded Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a double bottom at 15,646 and reversed and target 18,150. I'm going to dial in closer to gold. This is gold from a 4-hour perspective. We had a double bottom this morning, but it's blown out. There was some news at 1:30 this afternoon, and that took that out and then went back up. So this is mixed at the moment, but any break above 17.49 is going to target 17.79. I mentioned the possibility of a euro-dollar trade, but there are better trades to be had. And I want to go over this in a little bit more detail if you don't mind. This is the members area for members who are getting the everyday daily video analysis. There's 50% off that until Monday the 28th. But let me just dial down. And this is a great way of just quickly going into the website, clicking here. You can see what's a strong buy and what's a strong sell. Notice anything here? US Swiss is a strong sell. Euro dollar is not a strong buy. And I'll come on to that and explain why. But this tool is a great tool to actually getting to see which ones are actually trending right now. So let's have a look at the euro dollar. For instance, we've got a buy signal, which indicates the price is going to go up. It probably will. And the price is probably going to go to eventually top of wave 3, which is 104.80. Let's look at the US Swiss. So as we can see here, sorry, I lost my screen there. As we can see here with the US Swiss, we've got a sell order. We've got a stop loss of 96.9610 and a target 0.9360. So the super trend on the website tells you which ones are trending right now. There's also the US yen as well. But this is the best trade. So you can pick out the best trades. And there's no resistance here. There's no support here that's broken the support line. But yet the euro dollar's got resistance. So 0.9360. Weakness in the dollar, strength in the yen, bit of a clue. In the futures contracts, that tells us which ones to look at, and this is one to look at. We did make a little bit of profit on this in the last couple of days, but it broke the support area as I mentioned yesterday. As long as it holds that support area, it's likely to go up. Once it's broken, then it's going to be a potential reversal. So the target for the next few days is 137.80. Well, the New Zealand yen is been like watching paint dry, but it looks like it's going to start to move now with a bit of luck. We've got a nice double top here at 87.23, so we've gone short right at the very top. We're not going to wait for a signal. I don't, but you can. If you have the software will tell you when it's ready, and you just sell and then hold on and bank the money. But looking good. Target 83.80. Euro Canadian is being a right, you know what? It's we've held this for a few weeks now, and it's we've got a triple top now. And where is the price? 138.92. So we might get stopped out. Doesn't matter. Our risk to reward on this one is 3.83, and our target is 1.3690. Looks like the Elliott wave formation is heading into a wave 5 as well, which could help us in the long term, but we'll have to wait and see. So what have we got open so far? We've got the New Zealand yen, which is starting to make a move, hopefully in the next few hours and the next few days. We don't mind. Double top, if you remember. New Zealand Swiss, well, that's a nothing trade now. I'll show you that chart in a minute, so let's close that down. And of course US Swiss as well, so that's going nicely to target. I'll be putting the targets in the next few hours. So the New Zealand Swiss had a double top, but it's disappeared and it's doing nothing at the moment. So I've just closed that for a small loss. Let's go to the gold software. So this is the gold software. I call it gold software because this is what I use to trade gold, scalping and so on. But it can be used for anything else. If you want to be a day trader and use this, for instance, US Swiss, I'll show you that in a minute. So what we're looking for a buy signal above the blue line. We're looking for a buy signal above the blue line. We're looking for a sell signal below the blue line. Sell signal below the blue line, and so on and so forth. That's the rules that we play by. And therefore, once we get that, we don't have it right now. In fact, we've got a sell and the price is going higher, so there's something going on here. So there's no trade on gold. Let's have a look at US Swiss. Could you have traded that? Could you have banked 20 pips, 30 pips, 40 pips, 50 pips? You could have banked 100 pips. So here's the software in action. Gold is not a good example because it's not really going anywhere. And let's get rid of those. So you can see that as the price breaks down, then all indicators are saying sell. So you could have sold it there, sold it there, sold it there, sold it there. No pullback after that. But usually what happens in a stronger trend, you get another pullback and you get another sell signal. So a great way to trade. And if you want to be a day trader or just hold a position for a few days using this software, you can. It's not just for gold. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to join me every day, I do this during the New York session when volumes tend to be a little bit heavier. Then just click on the link below and I'm happy to answer any questions as well. Have a great evening.